Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are filming an update to the low buy, so if you are curious about that, please keep on watching. First of all, if you are curious about this eye look, I did film it. It is the palette creation for the month of November, so I will link that down below. It is a very dramatic look. I said in the beginning that this is the update, but it will be more like a finale for this year, just because I don't want a low buy right now. It's not because I want to buy everything that the holiday releases are getting me or something like that. It is just because it's a bit frustrating and I'm a bit annoyed, and I know that a low buy is very useful. I do recommend you to try it, but in this particular moment, I don't want it. So let's move into the low buy. I'm gonna mention what I purchased in these 2 months, but I'm gonna show you only the makeup products because I don't want to be here for 2 hours. And yeah, let's start with skincare, hair care and perfumes, just to get those out of the way. For perfumes, I did allow myself to purchase 2 in this period, and I actually bought only 1, and even that, it was a birthday gift. I got a gift card, so I purchased the replica by the fireplace with the gift card, so technically I didn't buy even that one. So perfumes didn't break the low buy. We are totally fine, at least with one category. Let's move into hair care products. I did allow myself to buy 5, and technically I bought more products than that, but hear me out. So I bought 1 thickening spray, the Bumble and Bumble, then the Bumble and Bumble texturizing spray, so 2 products that are actually minis as well. Then for dry shampoo is the only thing that I bought more. For dry shampoos I bought 2 full size and 1 mini. The mini one was just for traveling. 1 full size of the Got2b dry shampoo, and then I bought 2 Batiste ones, 1 full size, 1 mini, and I love all of them, so I'm not mad of this category that I bought 3 of dry shampoos. Then I bought the Olaplex number 4C. I did mention that I want it, so I bought it, and I bought a volume and texture spray from Living Proof. I think all of them, I did mention them in the last speed review. The Olaplex number 4C I didn't mention, but I need to test it more because I used it like 3 times or something like that. I like Olaplex shampoos in general, so this one is nice, but I didn't compare it to the original side by side or something like that. It is a good shampoo in my eyes. So this category is fine with me. I bought technically more products than 5, but considering that a lot of them are minis, I'm totally fine. I did use them. I'm gonna use them up. I like all of them, so I am totally fine with this category. Let's move into the skincare products. For this, I allowed myself 10, and I am totally fine with this category as well, just because I included in here stuff that I really need in my skincare routine and in my day-to-day life. I included in here body wash, body exfoliant, deodorant. Of course, I'm gonna buy deodorant. So it is very useful information in my eyes. In these 2 months, how many of each I bought. So let's mention very fast. I have 2 body washes that I bought, 2 Dove body washes. I did count that at 1. I bought 2 body exfoliants, again counting that as 1 product. Then the Garnier Micellar Water, again a very needed product in my collection, so that is the 3rd one. Then I bought the Boro Talco deodorant. I bought 2 of those, again very needed product. Then I bought the You to the People cleanser. Mine is almost done, so I bought a backup. Love that cleanser. Then the number 6 is the Inkey List Salicylic Acid. That is actually a backup, so I didn't need that, but I think in the next month I will use it, so not mad. Then I bought the Inkey List Water Cream. That's number 7. Didn't love that cream, so whatever. I think that I could have skipped. Number 8 is the Geek & Gorgeous Retinal. Again, another backup. I will get to it probably in 2 months or something like that. Didn't need it, but it is fine anyway. Then I bought the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. Love CeraVe creams, so this is not a bad purchase for me. The 10th product is the Ordinary Niacinamide, and again, very used product. I'm only using that in the morning, so a very, very needed product. And the number 11 is the Grande Lash Brow Gel and Lash Gel, because it was a mini set with the brow gel, the eyelash gel, and a mascara. So that is technically 2 products, but they are so small, whatever. So with this counting, we have 11 products. But of course, if I'm not including body wash, body exfoliant, deodorant, stuff like that that I will always buy, or my cellar water, or the niacinamide, we are just totally fine. So I'm not mad with this category. It is what it is. I'm gonna use all of them. But let's move into the makeup category, because I did struggle in here. So let's talk about the eyeshadows first, because that is very easy and it's very good in there. So I allowed myself 5 eyeshadow palettes, and I have 2 that are new in my collection. The first one is the Natasha Denona My Dream palette, and this is very beautiful. I am glad that I bought it. So a good purchase for me. I really like Natasha Denona in general. And the second palette that I have in my collection, that it is new, is the Illamasqua, I'm not gonna say that name again, is the Rainbow palette. This is a birthday gift again, so I do own it. Technically, it is a new addition to my collection, but I didn't buy it. But let's say that 2 palettes were added to my collection. So this category again, very, very good. I didn't buy a lot of them, so we are totally fine. But let's talk about the rest of them, because I am struggling. So for the makeup, I did mention that I'm not gonna purchase lashes and brushes after a Beauty Bay order that I never did. So whatever, that is going out of the way. The first one that I purchased, it was the Patrick Ta Brow Lamination Gel. And I am happy that I finally tested this product. I was waiting for this product for about, I don't know, 6 months or something like that. I am glad that I tested, and I am very happy to announce that I don't love it that much. It is very good, but I don't like this applicator that much. I a million times prefer the Too Faced one. So I'm very happy that I tested it, but I prefer the Too Faced one. The next product that I purchased was the Rare Beauty cream bronzer. This is very, very good. If you saw my my bronzer ranking, you know, it is very good. I am very, very happy that I purchased this product. It's lovely. And I am very happy that in these 2 months I did purchase a bunch of very, very good products, but sadly I did purchase some very bad products as well. Some products I could have very easily skipped, but I didn't do my research enough, which was the point of this series. So I am a bit annoyed. That's the reason I am a bit mad, and I want to stop this low buy, because usually I am doing my research pretty good. Of course, if I want to try a very, very new product, it is a gamble. But with older products, I usually do my research a bit better. The next products are the ones that I'm talking about. These 2. I don't love them. They are not the most horrible products out there. This is the Vieve Concealer and the LYS Triple Fix Serum Foundation. They are workable, but I didn't need them in my collection. The sad part is that I really wanted the Hourglass foundation, but that is like 52 euros or something. It is very, very pricey. And I need to buy it online, of course, from Cult Beauty. And I was so unsure about the shade and if I would like it, and it is so expensive. And sadly, I didn't purchase that and purchased the LYS, and I am sure that I would have liked the Hourglass foundation a million times over this one. But I still want the Hourglass foundation. So if I'm purchasing that, I will just have two foundations and I will still pay for the Hourglass. So, and for this concealer as well, I wanted the Charlotte Tilbury concealer, but it was not available fast enough, so I couldn't get a review out fast enough, and it was so frustrating. But now I'm seeing that a lot of people love the Charlotte Tilbury, so again, why didn't I wait and buy the Charlotte Tilbury concealer and the Hourglass foundation? Then I bought the Makeup Revolution cream bronzer and cream blush. This was very, very hyped, and for good reasons. Very happy that I purchased this one. It is a really nice bronzer from the drugstore, but this blush is not it. I really don't like it. I heard, I think, only Kelly Gooch raving about it, and she is better at makeup than me. And this is not the easiest product to work with, so yeah, it's not for me, sadly. Today I tried to mix these two because this is a very thick concealer and this is a pretty lightweight serum-y blush. So maybe together they could create a decent blush, but not really because this is too high coverage for this one. So I need to apply a bunch of this product and it will create something very watery. And then I purchased four mascaras. I did count all of them as one just because they are all mascaras and I needed a mascara or two, but not four, so whatever. I bought the Essence another volume mascara, just better. I don't really like this name. This is nice, not my favorite mascara, but it is a good mascara. Then I bought the Maybelline Colossal mascara. I remember liking this, but I don't know if it was the exact same one because they have a bunch of Colossal mascaras, I don't know. Then I bought the Rare Beauty mascara because Sephora was having the 20% off in Romania, so I am not mad. And then the fourth mascara, it is a mini one, so anyway, it is the Grande mascara and I got it with the set with the brow gel and eyelash serum. This is a bad mascara, really doesn't do a lot for my lashes, and then my lashes are pretty long, so whatever. I wanted the brow gel and the lash gel. The next product that I bought, the number 8, is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, and this is the mini. I do have the number 2 Fair. Now I need to know if this is a bad purchase for me because I used it so much in this period. Why didn't I buy the full size? I think it was a good decision because if I would hate this product, a mini is better. And as well I purchased this Hollywood Beauty Light Wand and I have the shade Spotlight. I really love this one as well. It is very expensive as well. I didn't even blink. I was like, I want that, I'm gonna purchase it. So I do have some pretty expensive stuff in here that I don't really care that it was expensive, but for the foundation and concealer, why didn't I purchase the ones that I really wanted? I can't understand, really. It is what it is. Then let's talk about some lip products. I bought the Makeup Forever Rouge Artist in the shade Toffee at All Hours. And this is a matte liquid lipstick. I really like it. It is a very beautiful color. And I think this is the only lipstick that I bought this year. I think I bought some in January. I bought the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick and LYS Beauty in January, but after starting my low buy, this is my first lipstick of the year. I am very happy. So this lipstick is pretty good. I like it, and it was a good purchase for me. And then I bought very recently 2 lip glosses. I bought the Fenty Eyes. I was really curious, so this is not a good purchase for me either. It is very similar to the Huda one. It is a bit painful. And then I bought my favorite one, because this is, if you want something like this, just purchase the Catrice. It's just better. This is the Volumizing, but this is the Extreme one, the Volumizing Extreme Lip Booster. And this is Sour Mood. So this smells like sour candy, and just buy these. They are a lot more affordable, of course, and they have a bunch of flavors. So this is number 12. So for this I did break my low buy, and it was just annoying to realize that the products that I purchased to replace something else that I wanted were the bad products. Overall, I think I found some favorites in these 2 months, which is amazing, like the Rare Beauty bronzer, the Charlotte Tilbury highlighter, the bronzer from Revolution, the Flawless filter that I really like, the lipstick, this one is pretty great. So it is a balance of bad things and good things. Okay, so this is the finale. Like I said, I don't think I'm gonna do a low buy in the next months. Maybe next year in March or something. And for sure, I'm gonna do a category low buy. I think that is better for me. And yeah, if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.